Silicone baking mats are your kitchen's best friend, ensuring mess-free baking and easy food release every time. But which one should you buy? In this video, we are going to look at the top 5 silicone baking mats available on the market today and tell you which one is best for you. We made this list based on our own opinions, research, and customer reviews. We've considered their quality, features, and values when narrowing down the best choices possible. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So, here are the top 5 best silicone baking mats. The 5th product on this list is the OXO Good Grip Silicone Baking Mat. Are you searching for a kitchen essential that'll bid farewell to parchment paper and messy cleanups? Look no further than the OXO Good Grips Silicone Baking Mat. This versatile kitchen companion, weighing just 5.61 ounces, is more than a baking tool. It's a game changer designed to simplify and clean up your kitchen life. Crafted from food-safe silicone, this reusable non-stick marvel effortlessly resists grease and residue. What sets this baking mat apart is its incredible durability. Unlike other pans and sheets that wear down over time, this mat can endure kitchen demands, even in the face of metal utensils. It's a reliable kitchen workhorse, ready to handle your culinary creations with ease. The fiberglass and silicone construction lends structure and stability, ensuring it stays securely in place, facilitating smooth and even crust or dough rolling. This non-stick surface isn't a one-time wonder. It's designed for repeated use, reducing waste and making it an eco-friendly choice for conscientious bakers. If it ever suffers wear and tear, don't worry. These mats are easily repairable, promising a lasting place in your kitchen. Plus, this baking mat is oven and dishwasher safe, streamlining cleanup. Its pros are: it enables mess-free baking as it eliminates the need for parchment paper. Its fiberglass and silicone construction can withstand the use of metal utensils and spatulas, ensuring it remains in excellent condition even with frequent use, and being reusable and repairable when damaged makes it a sustainable choice. However, its cons are: the mat's standard size is 11.5 inches by 16.5 inches, which may not fit all baking sheets, and the mat retains stains that are difficult to remove after a couple uses. The OXO Good Grip Silicone Baking Mat is ideal for frequent bakers, eco-conscious cooks, and anyone who wants a versatile cooking tool that will enhance their baking experience and reduce kitchen waste. Up next in 4th place is the Cuisinart Silicone Baking Mat. Why settle for the same old parchment paper routine when you can elevate your baking game with the Cuisinart Silicone Baking Mat? The hallmark of any outstanding baking mat is its ability to consistently deliver exceptional results. And the Cuisinart Silicone Baking Mat does just that with finesse. Its non-stick surface ensures your baked goods cook evenly and release effortlessly. Furthermore, bid adieu to the need for oil, butter, or parchment paper. This mat is inherently non-stick, promoting healthier baking without sacrificing flavor or texture. Crafted from food-grade silicone, it can withstand temperatures of up to 480 degrees Fahrenheit. Consequently, it's a reliable companion for both baking and roasting, effortlessly handling high heat. But that's not all. The Cuisinart baking mat is incredibly versatile. It's suitable for use in the oven, microwave, and freezer, complementing various cooking techniques. And when you're done creating culinary masterpieces, its dishwasher-safe feature simplifies cleanup, making it a convenient choice for busy cooks and bakers alike. Say goodbye to the hassles of traditional parchment paper and hello to a more efficient and eco-friendly way to bake. Its pros are: it delivers consistent results, ensuring your baked creations are released with ease. Its high resistance to heat makes it durable and sustainable for long-term use, and its dishwasher-safe feature simplifies cleanup. However, it takes up more storage space compared to parchment paper rolls, which can be flattened. The Cuisinart Silicone Baking Mat is an excellent addition to the kitchen and is well-suited for health-conscious cooks, regular bakers, and home cooks. Still haven't found a silicone baking mat that meets your needs? Well, keep watching because we have more lined up for you. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive notifications of our next videos. The 3rd product on this list is the Matfer Bourgeat Exopat. Picture this: you're in your cozy kitchen, armed with a whisk and a bowl of buttery cookie dough. The aroma of freshly baked pastries fills the air as you prepare to whip up a batch of mouth-watering treats. But there's one essential tool about to take your baking skills to a whole new level: the Matfer Bourgeat Exopat Silicone Baking Mat. Crafted from durable food-grade silicone and reinforced with a knitted fiberglass fabric, it's designed to withstand the test of time. Consider it an investment in your culinary journey. What makes this baking mat truly exceptional is its versatility. It comes in 2 sizes, adapting to your needs, whether you're making a single batch of cookies or creating an elaborate dessert spread. Its temperature resistance is equally impressive, capable of enduring extreme conditions. from a frigid -40 degrees Fahrenheit to a scorching plus 580 degrees Fahrenheit. Yes, you read that correctly. It's microwave safe too. So whether you're baking in a professional kitchen or your own, bid adieu to the hassles of greasing and parchment paper, and welcome to a new era of baking with this adaptable and long-lasting silicone baking mat. Its pros are, it allows even heat distribution to ensure your baking results are consistent. It can withstand high temperatures, making it suitable for different cooking techniques, from freezing to high heat baking and microwave use, and being reusable up to 3,000 times makes it an environmentally friendly choice. However, its cons are it doesn't allow the bottom of your food to cook as fast, and the tough stains are only removable with a lot of hand washing. We recommend the Matfer Bourgeat Exopat Silicone Baking Mat for versatile cooks who frequently use a wide range of temperatures in their cooking, from freezing to high heat baking. The second product on this list is the MMmat German Baking Mat. Unleash your culinary creativity with the MMmat German Baking Mat, an essential tool that pairs nonstick perfection with unparalleled convenience. It's the kitchen companion you never knew you needed, simplifying every culinary endeavor. This silicone baking mat isn't just nonstick, it embodies nonstick perfection. Stubborn residues from sauces, sticky candies, or gooey pastries are no match for it. What truly distinguishes the MMmat is its ability to liberate you from the need of oil and cooking sprays. Your dishes effortlessly release, and it's health conscious to boot. Moreover, the MMmat's non-slip treatment ensures no more frustrating moments of ingredients sliding around as you strive to maintain the integrity of your baking masterpiece. It adeptly grips ingredients and items, providing stability and peace of mind. The MMmat German Baking Mat isn't merely a product. It's an opportunity for an enhanced cooking experience. It's time to elevate your culinary game and transform every cooking adventure into a breeze. So ask yourself, are you prepared to bid farewell to the old and embrace the new? The MMmat is here to make that a reality. Its pros are, it makes cleanup easy after use. The non-stick surface eliminates the need for cooking sprays and oils, and it is oven, refrigerator, and dishwasher safe. However, its cons are it can cause cookies to brown before the center is properly cooked, and it cannot completely cover large baking sheets. If you desire a kitchen tool that not only enhances your cooking, but also simplifies your life, the MMmat German Baking Mat is your best bet. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Finally, the top silicone baking mat is the Silpat non-stick baking sheet. Have you ever yearned for a kitchen tool that could revolutionize your baking adventures and spare you the ordeal of cleaning sticky messes? Enter the Silpat non-stick baking sheet, crafted from a blend of fiberglass mesh and premium food-grade silicone. This baking sheet boasts a unique construction that underpins its exceptional performance. The mesh component ensures even heat distribution, guaranteeing perfectly baked goods every time. One of the standout attributes of the Silpat is its remarkable versatility. It seamlessly transitions from freezer to microwave to oven, accommodating a wide array of recipes. Its impressive temperature tolerance ranges from -40 degrees Fahrenheit to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. Whether you're freezing cooking dough, reheating leftovers, or crafting a batch of delectable cookies, the Silpat effortlessly rises to the occasion. However, what truly distinguishes the Silpat is its remarkable durability. When treated with proper care, this baking sheet can endure an astonishing 2,000 to 3,000 uses. This translates to a significant reduction in waste compared to disposable parchment paper, and it translates to savings for you in the long run. With Silpat, you bid adieu to the need for greasing your pans or reaching for parchment paper ever again. It's a sustainable choice that not only streamlines your baking process, but also contributes to a more eco-friendly environment. In terms of size, this baking mat is perfectly practical for most baking needs, and it's a breeze to clean either by hand or in the dishwasher. The Silpat non-stick baking sheet isn't just a baking tool, it's a sustainable and superior solution that elevates your baking game while championing a greener planet. Its pros are, its non-stick surface eliminates the need for greasing and parchment paper. The combination of fiberglass mesh and high-quality food-grade silicone ensures even heat distribution, promoting uniform baking and browning. It can handle a wide range of temperatures from freezing to high-heat baking, and it is an environmentally friendly choice that contributes to a greener kitchen. However, stains or residue from certain recipes may require extra attention. The Silpat non-stick baking sheet is ideal for professional chefs and cooking enthusiasts who want a silicone baking mat that makes baking easier, more efficient, and more eco-friendly. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. If we helped you out in any way, please hit the like and subscribe button. We'll see you guys in the next videos.